guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will be showing you guys how to make homemade waffles. Okay, first step is, it's not really a step, to make sure you wash your hands. So first step is, take 1 cup, fill it up with flour, and then dump it in. Make sure you have 1 big bowl. Dump it into the bowl. Make sure you get all of it in there. The next step is you have to have 1 egg, and then crack it into a bowl. Make sure you don't get any shells into it. Egg on me. Next, you're gonna scramble your egg. Next, you're gonna pour your egg into, make sure it's all scrambled up. You're gonna pour your egg into the big bowl. Flour. Then you're going to want to take your spoon and mix it all up. Be careful you don't get anything out of the bowl. Once you're done mixing it up, make sure to melt some butter, 4 tablespoons of butter in the microwave, and then make sure it's not too hot or else it will boil the egg. So pour a little bit in at a time and then mix it up. Just keep on pouring a little bit at a time, and then until you use it all, just mix it, and then I'll show you the next ingredient when we're done doing this. Now do not stir because you don't want clumps in it. Now pour 1 cup of milk. So I'm gonna pour my milk into 1 cup. Right here, pour it in. And then we're gonna add. I'm gonna take a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Pour a little bit in. And then we're going to mix it up. If it's too thick, add more milk, but if it's too thin, add some more flour. And if you have clumps in your mix, just use a whisk and it will help get all the clumps out of it. And will help next time if we put all of the wet ingredients in 1 bowl, mix those all together, and then we pour it into the big bowl with the flour. That will be easier. So once your mixture is all done, we're going to want to make sure to have a pan help you with this one. I'm going to put it into the waffle maker. Make sure to have a parent help you with this part, so I'm going to have my dad help me. And make sure to spray the pan, the waffle cooker, before you put all the mix into it. Just pour all of it in, and then you're going to want to wait until it's done, and then you might want to check a couple times to see if it's done. Our waffles are done. What I like to put on it is some syrup, okay, and some cinnamon. It makes it super sweet. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!